Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got these DIY knotless box braids, keep on watching. So here I'm just tapering off each piece of hair. I used about 4 pieces to each braid. I'm tapering it because I don't want it to be all chunky at the ends, and with each piece of hair you want to make sure that you start off with a thinner piece first and gradually get bigger. I like my braids to not be so chunky, and since they're knotless, I want them to look as natural as possible, so I'm trying to get them to about the same thickness as my real hair. I use the Murray's Edge Wax to smooth down my roots, and I put a little bit on the shaft of my hair and just run it down, and then I begin to start the braiding process. So here I begin to braid my real hair. I braided twice, as you can see, and right here is where it's time to add the hair in. I take one strand of hair, and you see how I'm gripping it with my left hand between my thumb and index, and I stick that piece of hair underneath my pointer finger, which is still on the braid. Then you continue to braid. Take another piece of hair, add it again underneath the pointer finger that's still on the braid. Braid again. Add that third piece of hair underneath the pointer finger. And I'm moving that out of the way so you guys can see. Add it underneath the pointer finger. And then start to braid again. And I'm getting ready to add that fourth piece of hair again. And then you just continue to braid and braid all the way down to the ends. to show you guys for a second time. I begin to braid my real hair, and here's where I'm going to add in that first piece of hair. Add it in underneath your index finger. Continue to braid. Add in that second piece of hair underneath your index finger. Then continue to braid once more. And you can add in however many pieces of hair you like. It just depends on the thickness of your braids that you desire. I'm not a professional, but it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Just braid down to the ends. And here I'm just showing you guys what my braids look like after they're finished. It's actually pretty late. So the next thing I'll show you guys is how I wrap my hair up to prepare for bed, and I will dip my ends in the morning. Morning, my ends are already dipped, and I'm just showing you guys the back of my hair and the parting system I used. Next, I'm going to be using the ORS Wrap and Set Mousse. I distribute this all over my hair. I actually used way more than you're going to see in this video. I split my hair into 4 sections and I put it all over my hair. It smells really good, it smells fresh, and it gives your hair a really good shine. Next, I'm just going to oil my scalp. I struggle with dry scalp, so I'm just going to make sure this is distributed all over. forget to oil those edges, ladies. And the final step is the edges, of course. I normally use Eco Styler gel, but I didn't want to mix a whole lot of products, so since I was already using the Murray's Edge Wax, I'll just continue to use that on my edges and smooth them down. Here I'm just showing you guys how long the braids are. I actually did not use the beads that you saw at the beginning of the video because I knew I was going to be wearing a bun most of the time. And here is the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching my channel.